This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you find your child trust fund. Start by gathering any old paperwork or financial statements that might contain details about the fund. Look for documents dating back to when you were very young, as these often hold clues to the original provider. Even a small piece of information, like a shareholder reference number, can be incredibly useful in tracing your money, so keep an eye out for anything that looks official. If paperwork is scarce, consider if your parents or guardians remember which bank or building society they used. Sometimes, the original investment was made with a well-known provider, making it easier to track. The shareholder reference number is a crucial identifier. It will significantly speed up your search, so try to locate it if possible. This key detail is essential for the next steps in reclaiming your funds efficiently. The government's online tool is designed specifically to help you locate your child trust fund. Once logged into the government gateway, you will provide your details, and the service will search for your fund across all registered providers. The process usually takes a few minutes, and you should receive information about your fund within 15 working days, allowing you to move forward with confidence and clarity on your investment. Should the government search not return an immediate match, do not worry, you still have options. Reach out directly to common child trust fund providers like high street banks or prominent investment firms. They have dedicated teams to assist with these inquiries. Be patient, as it might take some time for them to cross-reference their records, but your persistence will pay off, helping you pinpoint your valuable asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.